cube and cubide. We will solve some questions of exercise 15.1. I think we have to complete two questions. Now we have to solve the third question. Okay? Keep silence everyone. Question number 30 tells that a cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water it can hold? Suppose you have a cuboidal water tank given, and I have to say that in 1 meter cube, if you have a 1 meter cube volume, then capacity of that one is the 1000 liters. So see that in the given question say that length is given, length of the tank given 6 meter long, 6 meter long, breadth is 5 meter, and you see that height given 4.5 meter. Question of asked that in this type of the cuboidal whose length is L, B and H, what is the volume of this cuboidal tank? You see that volume, you know that volume of cuboid is L into B into H. We have to put the value 6 into 5 into 4.5. 6 5 क्या 30 4.5 135 meter cube. Volume is the 135 meter cube, but we want to calculate the capacity. We want to capacity how much liter have to contain this tank. This volume is 135 meter cube, and you know that 1 meter cube equals to what? 1000 liter. Then the capacity of cuboidal water tank equals to what? 135 multiplied by 1000. It means 135,000 liter. I have to mention here liter. It means in this such type of the water tank, how much capacity is that? 135,000 liter it will contain. Question number, you see that 4. Like same this question. This is the homework. In question number 4, the capacity of a where? You see that in question number 4, the capacity of cuboidal water tank. You see that capacity given. It means if we have to divide it by 1000, it means we have to convert it in the meter cube. It means we have to calculate the volume of this one. You see the total capacity given, and you know that 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. It means if the total capacity divided by 1000, this will give the volume. It will give the volume. It means volume is the 50 meter cube. Volume of this will be 50 meter cube. You have to apply the formula V equals to what? LB H and calculate the
2 meters
depth.
2 meters.
Okay.
2 meters breadth.
Okay. Question number 5. This question number 4 is homework. Question number 4 is homework. A go down measure 40 meter, 25 meter and 15 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates each measuring. You see that first we have to calculate a go down length, width and height given. So first we have to measure the total volume of the go down. After that, question have tell that find the maximum number of wooden crates. Suppose we have to put wooden crates in this room. How many wooden crates we have to use? Then we first have to calculate the volume of wooden crates and divide the total volume by the wooden crates. We have to find the number of the quantity, how many wooden crates we have to put. Okay. Mention solution 5. Right now, go down length. First you mention go down length. Okay, go down length given go down, length you have to mention equal to what given? 40 meter. Go down, breadth given 25 meter. And go down, height given equal to what? 15 meter. Therefore, volume of go down. How do you calculate? Volume of go down equal to what? 40 into 25 into 15 meter. This implies that total volume equal to what? 1,000. 25 4 ja 100. This will be 40. This will be 40. 25 4 ja 100. It means multiplied by 10. This will be 1,000. 1,000 multiplied by 15. This will be 50,000 meter cube. See that volume of go down is 50,000 meter cube. After that, we have to measure the volume of the wooden crates. First, we have to measure the volume of one wooden crate and divided this total volume by the volume of one wooden crates. You have to mention length.
16,000. It is volume of that.
Yes, sir. First, to see that what I have to mention. Length of wooden crates. Length of wooden crates. What is the length given? 1.5 given meter. Breadth equals to what given? 1.25 given. And height given?
0.5.
Height equals to 0.5 meter given. You have to mention. Therefore, volume of wooden crates equal to what? Length increase into height. 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5 meter cube. This implies that volume equals to what? 19. 15 5 ja 75. This will be 0.75 multiplied by 1.25 meter cube. Clear? Anyone have any problem? This implies that volume equals to what? 1.25 multiplied by 0.75. You have to calculate this value. Therefore,
16,000 is answer.
therefore, number of we have to calculate number of wooden crates. Total volume, you have to mention total volume divided by volume of crate. See that total volume is 18,000 divided by this. You have to calculate it out 0.75 90 9.67
अरे पॉइंट
I have not calculated like this, sir.
9.375 I think. Okay. It,
Sir, I have not calculated like this.
why you not calculate like this?
I have calculated like this, sir. 15 I have written and then 0.
You have to mention like that 15 upon 10.
Yes, like this I have.
Like this, you calculate it. So also give 125 upon 10, and this will be 5 upon 10. You will,
120.
you see that after that 15 5 ja 75 into 125 we have calculated or not? This is the same we have calculated here 25 into 125. What is the difference between them?
Answer will come later.
Like same 9375 because after that you calculate how much after how much decimal you do use 1 2 and 3 4 1 2 3 and 4 it will something will be also 9.375 or something will be also come. So why you do by this way you see that same will be this. Otherwise you multiply 0.75 into 1.25 that is 125 multiplied by 7. After that you put the decimals only. This will also come for everyone 9.375.
Yes, sir.
0.9375 meter cube. You see that this is the total volume of go down and this is the volume of one wooden crate. If you want to calculate the number of how many wooden crates we have to put in this volume, this total volume divided by volume of one wooden crate. It means 15,000 divided by 0.9375. This will be equal to 16,000 only. You don't take meter cube. You see that this will give the number meter cube and meter cube. It means total how many crates you have to put? 16,000. Okay. Like same question number 6, you see that how many planks of dimension 5 into 25 into 10 centimeter can be stored in a pit which is 20 meter long, 6 meter wide and 80 centimeter deep. You see that you have a dimension of the planks given. So first you have to calculate the dimension of total planks. First you have to calculate the volume of the planks and divided by the volume of feet. How many feet we have to put in this planks? We have to got like same question number 6, question number 5. Then question number 3 and question number 5 is the question number 6 and question number 3 is the homework. Clear? Anyone have any problem? See that question number 7. How many bricks will be required to construct a wall 8 meter long, 6 meter high and 25.7 centimeter thick? You see that third quantity given is the centimeter. So first we have to convert all the unit in the meter or in centimeter. You are free for it. Don't mess as well. If you want to convert all the quantity in the centimeter, but these all units in the same. Okay. You see that 2 are given in the meter and third one given in the centimeter. Then you have to convert the third one in the meter. Okay. Write the solution. You are writing no class of copy. Okay. You see that how many bricks will be required to construct a wall. You see that length of wall given. Length of wall equals to what? 8 meter. Like same breadth equal to what given? 6 meter. After yes beta. See that length of wall given 8 meter and breadth of wall is 6 meter given and height given is 22.5 centimeter given. It means if you want to convert the centimeter in meter, then you have to divide it by 100. This will be equal to what? 0.225. Anyone have any problem?
Height is 6 meter.
Height is 6 meters. Yes.
The question. And thickness is meter.
And here you mention height equal to 6 meters and width of wall equal to given 0.225 meter and 22.5 centimeter.
We can convert 8 meter also to centimeter. We can.
If you want then you mention 800, 600 centimeter and this will be your 2 22.5. But you see that this calculation is heavy. 8 6 ja 48 multiplied by 0.2 9.6 9.6 or 9.7 approx. You see that 8 6 ja 48 and 48 into 0.2 96 or this way to mention 9.6 approx. Okay, therefore volume of wall equals to what? Length width into height. A is the length. You see that height given 6 into width given or thickness given 0.225. Here given in the centimeter, but we have to convert in the meter. If we have to convert the centimeter in meter, then we have to divide it by 100. It means 8 into 6 into 0.225 meter cube. This implies that volume of wall equals to 48 multiplied by 0.225. If you want to calculate the exact value, then you have to multiply 0.225 10.80 meter to clear. Anyone have any problem? We have to calculate the total volume of the wall. You see that after that the dimensions of one bricks given. The dimension of one bricks given. Then we have to calculate the dimension of. Then we have to calculate the volume of one brick, and you have to divide this total volume of the wall divided by the volume of one brick. We have to calculate how many numbers of bricks we have to require. Okay. Listen, given dimensions of bricks, length equal to what given?
25 centimeter.
25 centimeter. Width given
11.25.
11.2
16875
centimeter and height given 6 centimeter. You see that we have to calculate this quantity in the meter cube. It means we have to also calculate this quantity in the meter cube. Otherwise, first we have to calculate in the centimeter cube and divided by 1 into 60. Divided by 1 into 60. This implies that volume of brick equals to what? 0.25. 0.25. We have to convert in the meter. This is 11.25. 0.1125. It means 0.25, 0.1125 multiplied by 0.016. 0.06. You see that 6 divided by 100 equals to what? Not 0.6. 0.06. 0.0. Clear? Anyone have any problem? 25 6 ja
150.
25 6 ja 150. But how many zero we have to? 0.0150. 0.25 into 0.06 equal to what? 0.0150. Clear anyone any problem? Multiplied by 0.1125.
16875.
Number of bricks you have to calculate it. So first you calculate this quantity, after that you have to answer also.
No, this will be
This will become
16875.
16.
875.
This will become 0.1125 multiplied by, you only multiply, you see that 0.1125 multiplied by 0.01 you have to mention. 015 you have to mention. Clear anyone have any problem?
No.
So see that I get 25.
7.
0.60168 have to come.
That's 6 here. It is a question.
अच्छा
हाँ सर, it is question. It is 0.16.
see that this will be 5 5 to 7 6 to 8 5 1 6 1 and 0
Sir, please understand it. Yes.
0.00168 have to come.
Yes, sir.
168 have to come. It means volume is the 0.00168 75. Clear? Anyone have any problem? Therefore, number of bricks equals to total volume 10.80 divided by 0.0016. Clear? Anyone have any problem? At this we have to mention like 108 divided by 0.0168. 6,000. Okay. Question number 8 is homework. Question number 8 is homework. Thank you everyone. Tomorrow we have to continue other questions.